Do you know that in just 1 week, Dubai has witnessed a real estate boom like never before? Dubai Land Department report showed that 297 plot was sold for 5.08 billion dirhams, while 1,362 apartment and the villas were purchased for 4.57 billion dirhams. The most expensive deal includes a piece of land in the Palm Jumeirah which was sold around 1 billion dirhams. Another land in Palm Dera that went out 600 million dirhams, and the property in Al Tanaya 5th, which is Jumeirah Lake Towers, that was sold for 121.84 million dirhams. The highest priced apartment and the villas transaction featured in Al Barsha. The highest priced apartment and the villas transaction featured in Al Safu 2nd, which is close to the media city, valued at 1.83 billion dirhams. Another in Palm Jumeirah, priced with 36 million dirhams, and an apartment also in Palm Jumeirah which was sold 27 million dirhams. Dubai real estate market is more exciting than ever. You don't want to miss out this chance. Then contact us for Dubai real estate market updates.